करें women hostel. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together. This really is the beginning of a new journey, of a new era. Alhamdulillah. Many congratulations to Government of Punjab. It is my pleasant duty if I could ask worthy Chief Minister Sahiba to present a souvenir to worthy Prime Minister. May I humbly request His Excellency Prime Minister of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan, Muhammad Shehbaz Sharif.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Honorable Chief Minister of Punjab, Maryam Nawaz Sharif Sahiba, Honorable Federal Ministers, Provincial Ministers, Excellencies, Council Generals, guests from abroad, and the great team which is in front of me, who have really done a commendable job under the young and dynamic leadership of Chief Minister of Punjab, and converted this building, which was for years was untouched, and I think full marks to Maryam Nawaz Sharif Sahiba for converting this idling building into a great institution. And I would like to appreciate great efforts of scientists, experts, professionals who have worked day in and day out to complete this one and the only project in this country which will go a long way to ensure food security and ensure hygienic standards. And I think this was need of the hour. Let me give you a very brief history of Punjab Forensic Lab. It was back in 2009. There was no foolproof system to provide irrefutable evidence against criminals. And I would make this statement with a very heavy heart that killers would go scot-free and justice would be defeated. And government officials, attorneys, experts could not help at all. So we decided to have a world-class forensic lab. Late Dr. Ashraf Tahir, he was having a wonderful life in the United States of America. He was a great scientist and a great Pakistani. One of Punjab government officials, he is now retired, Provincial Service Officer, Naseem Sadiq, yes. Naseem Sadiq came to me and said that, Chief Minister, I know Dr. Ashraf Tahir is a great expert and he will be very helpful. So we invited him to Pakistan, and to his back, he did not take a second to give up his very important job in the United States and decided to come back to Pakistan and pay back to his motherland. So, ladies and gentlemen, that's how Punjab Forensic Lab came to being. The rest is history. But I would certainly like to pay a rich tribute to late Dr. Ashraf Tahir, his team, and all those officials who played a very important role at that point in time. Today, this building, which was there incomplete for at least 5-6 years. And let me share this episode with you, that when I was incarcerated here in NAB's office just next door, I would look at this building and it was heart-wrenching that billions of rupees were spent, but just because a government they didn't like raised this building, they didn't want to touch it, let alone complete it and operate it. Today, when I entered this premises, I would like to pay my heartfelt Mubarakbad to Maryam Nawaz Sharif, because you have raised it from ashes to one of the most beautiful and one of the most IT-led, AI-led laboratory to serve Pakistan's cause. Full mark to you and a big hand to her. And by the same token of imagination, to all her political colleagues, government officials, Chief Secretary, his team, experts who have really done a remarkable job. It speaks for itself. You don't have to say any word. Now, if you allow me, I would like to say something in my native language. Mumkin Akhil Kareem, bil Urdu, fi ijaza, maafi mushkila. ताइब मैं आपको 2-3 बातें सुनाना चाहता हूं. अभी फेडरल गवर्नमेंट में चूंकि एक्सपोर्ट कॉमर्स फेडरल सब्जेक्ट है, तो कुछ 6-8 महीने पहले चावल की एक्सपोर्ट के ऊपर मुझे शिकायत मिली. मैंने उसकी सारी तहकीक की एंड देयर वाज नो second opinion about the report, that it was nothing but a total fraud. Fast forward, उन सबको जेलों में डाला गया और डीपीपी का नाम बदल दिया गया. सारा अमला तब्दील करके उनको भेज दिया गया सरप्लस पूल में. वहाँ पर नया अमला आ चुका है और नया उसको सीईओ आ चुका, टेम्पररी, लेकिन एक परमानेंट सीईओ के लिए पूरी प्रोग्रेस जारी है. अल्लाह ताला के फजल करम से मुझे इस दश्त में अब 40 साल गुजर गए हैं. मैंने किसी की ना सुनी और आज अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह वो डिपार्टमेंट एक क्लीन इदारा चल रहा है. इसकी कमी थी जो आज मुझे आके बहुत खुशी हुई.